I studied at the University of Minnesota. I received a degree in Environmental Sciences, Policy and Management. I've always liked the city of Portland. When I first moved to Oregon, all my friends were in Portland. So just the food scene, the people. Naturally, when this job posting came up, I applied immediately because I was really excited about the position itself. My job is really fun. I really like it. As a field science technician, every day is different. We work on many different projects throughout the city. My coworkers and I, we all love doing the field science part, the data collection part, just being outside, being in the community. At the start of the week, we receive our schedules, so I could do anything from going to sewers and looking at level and velocity, or going to Johnson Creek to do habitat surveys. When we conduct a PaulMap summer survey, we are typically collecting canopy coverage, so looking at the trees, how much shade it's providing the stream. We also collect temperature data, and we also do water quality work. So we bring a cooler out there. There's various bottles for different analytes. We have E. coli bottle, we have different bottles for metals, mainly relates to water quality. The most surprising thing about my job is my reaction to sewers. I thought that I would be a little hesitant to go in there, but it's fun. You get to climb down. Sometimes the nodes, the manholes are all different shapes and sizes, depths, and it's one of the funnest projects on the job. I would tell anyone considering a career in environmental services that it's worth it. The work is really awesome, the people are great, and for me personally, with this position, I love being outside, so I get to spend 90% of my time outdoors on the job, exploring Portland, and then 10% of my time back in the office writing summaries and reports. My name is Linda Xiong, and I am a field science technician.